So in Google Docs, if you want to color or highlight a particular text, then you simply select out the portion of the text that you want to change the color of, and then go on the text color option, which is located right here. So once you click on it, you can see that there's different color ranges that you can choose from. So I'm just going to go around and choose, let's say, for example, red right here. And then you can see that it becomes red. I can go around right here, select another color, and another color is applied. You want it back to default, you can select all right here, and then go right here, choose black, just like that. What else you can also do is you can go over here and add in custom colors as well. So once you go to custom, you're provided with more color ranges. So you can change over the hue of the color, just like this. So let's say I want something from the green shade right here. So what you can do is you can use this color picker and drag this area. So you have option to select the exact shade of color you want. Let's say you want something like very green color right here, just like that, the bright green color that you just selected. You can just press OK and that color will be applied. So now to work with highlight color is similar as working with the text color. So you can just select that out, go into highlight, and then select out the color you want the highlight. So usually the color that you use for highlighting is yellow. So you can see this is how it looks as if you use the highlight pen on a document. You can go over here and choose the custom color. And here you can see that the color that we chose last time is actually listed right here. So I can simply click over this and the same color will be applied. I can go over here onto the highlight color and click on the plus button as well to access custom color, just like this. Select something like yellow, press OK, and that is applied just like that. And that is how you can work with text color, and that's how you can highlight text inside of Google Docs. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.